Good morning and welcome to One Tip a Day by Hariharan. Today we are going to see a basic function in Zoom, how to host a meeting or schedule a meeting. Most of us have the practice of attending so many Zoom meetings, and many of us also host meetings. This video is intended on request that how to host a meeting. So to host a meeting in Zoom, just go to Zoom, log into zoom.us. Once you type zoom.us, you will get the screen and you have to sign in to host a meeting. You can also sign up. It's free. There is no charges for signing up. You can sign up. Also, you can say sign in. When you say sign up, it will ask you for some basic details. You fill up the details and you can sign up. The other easy way to do is that give sign in. Once you give sign in, you will get a screen like this. And below that, if you scroll down, you will see that sign in with SSO, sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook. So you can easily, if you have a Gmail account, you can sign in with Google, or if you have a Facebook account, you can sign in with Facebook. I am signing in with Google. Once you sign in, you have to select which account you want to sign in. So once you select that account, you are signed in. Once you are signed in, you get a screen like this. Zoom has got different platforms through which you can host meetings. So to host a meeting, first you have to schedule a meeting. You can come and you can see here there is a tab called schedule a meeting. Go and click the tab there, schedule a meeting. Once you click that tab, you have to give basic details. So what is the topic of the meeting? It might be a sales meeting, so I can give a sales meeting or whatever topic I want. Sales meeting, I can give a topic. And what is the description of the meeting? I can give South India sales meeting. I can give it a brief description, and next is when I want this meeting to be scheduled. So it is automatically showing the date here. If you want, you can change the date by clicking. So today is Wednesday 25th, so I am selecting 25th. And what time? Maybe I want to host this meeting by 11 o'clock in the morning. I can go and select the time as 11 and say AM or PM. You can say AM, 11 AM. And what is the approximate duration of the meeting? You can say 1 hour or so. If you are hosting a free meeting in Zoom, the meeting will last for only 40 minutes, even though whatever duration you select, after 40 minutes, the meeting will be over. If you are a paid member of Zoom, there is no time limit to conduct a meeting. Then you can select the time zone, and next it is asking for whether it is a recurring meeting or not. If I want to conduct this meeting daily morning at 11 AM, I can click the recurring meeting. I can say daily, repeat once every day. For 7 days I can go, or whatever days I can give here. If I want it weekly, every Wednesday only, I can select weekly. So if I want it monthly, I can select monthly. So if you want to give a recurring meeting, you can give a recurring meeting. If you don't want to give a recurring meeting, you need not give a recurring meeting. Then it is asking for registration. If you feel that the participants of your meeting should register before, you can take this option of registration required. For conducting the basic Zoom meetings, it is not required, so it is better to leave it blank unless you are going to look into advanced settings. For the time being, for a basic Zoom meeting, registration is not required. And it is asking for meeting ID. Once you sign in, you get a personal meeting ID. And you can give it generate automatically also. It will give for every meeting, it will give you a different ID. So I say generate automatically because I want different ID for every meeting. I don't want the same ID. And next thing is, it is asking for a passcode. The passcode is nothing but a password to enter the meeting. I can say I need a passcode to enter the meeting. I can say I don't need a passcode to enter the meeting also. But normally when you are entering through the laptop or desktop, it will ask for the passcode, and normally when you enter the meeting through the mobile, it will be one tap and you can straight go to the meeting. So here I can change the passcode I want. So I am going to give here 1 2 3 4 5 6. I can put any passcode I want. It can be 4-digit also. I can give 1 2 3 4 also. And the next thing is waiting room. Waiting room is an option where people, whenever they enter the meeting, they will be coming and waiting for you to approve, then only they can enter. Here, for the basic meetings, you don't require that. So you can clear the waiting room. This thing, you can make it blank so that people can enter the meeting directly whenever they come. They need not wait for your approval to enter. Then it is asking for video. If you are the host, you want to share video, you can put it on, and the participant you can put it off, and later on you can give participants permission also if they want it on. In audio, it is always preferable to have the third thing, telephone and computer audio. Just click it. Here is this telephone, computer audio is always better. You keep it on. And meeting options. Allow participant to join anytime. That means the participant can come into the meeting anytime. Okay, if you say yes, the participants can, otherwise also normally the participants can join anytime. Mute participant on entry. It is better to keep it ticked, because whenever a participant enters maybe 10 minutes or 5 minutes late in the meeting, if they on their mic and there is background noise, it will be a disturbance. So mute participant on entry. Whenever a participant enters into the meeting, his mic will be automatically muted. There will be no disturbance. And next is require authentication to join. For the time being, it is not required. Automatically record meeting. There is a provision to record meeting also here. If you say automatically record the meeting, once the meeting starts, Zoom will automatically start recording the meeting. And approve or block entry to users from specific regions or countries. There is option to select region-wise entry into the meeting, which is not required now for the basic things. That is all we can look at when we look into the advanced features. We can look into it. And alternative host also is not required. And once you say save, the meeting is scheduled. Once the meeting is scheduled, you will get a screen like this, and in the screen you can see sales meeting, South India sales meeting, time, and it is asking for add to calendars and all. Meeting ID has been come. The password is in there. You can see what the password I have given is there, and waiting room is not enabled, and every details is there. Now, how do we invite people to this meeting? Here you can go and see there is a link here, and there is a copy invitation here. You can go to the copy invitation. You can see the meeting. This will be the meeting invitation. You can copy the entire invitation, and in the previous video I have shown you how to integrate WhatsApp web. So I can go to the WhatsApp web, open WhatsApp, and paste the meeting invitation and say send. So the meeting invitation is sent. So I can send this meeting invitation to anybody I want. Suppose I want only a part of the meeting invitation to be sent. I can say topic sales meeting and I want only one tab mobile. I don't want other the details. Highlight those things, copy, go and paste, and you can say send. And if you want, you can invite through email and send your invitation through email also. You can copy this link, send it through mail also. If you have a mobile app, you can download Zoom app in your mobile, sign in, and through the mobile app also you can share the meeting link and invite people to join the meeting. So this is how you host a meeting and send invitations. Once this is done, next is when you're going to start the meeting, just sign in and you can see the tab start meeting, the top and the end, and you can start this meeting. And if you want to delete this meeting, you can delete this, and if you want to save it as a template also, you can save it. So this is the basic of how to schedule a Zoom meeting and invite participants. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Hariharan signing off on behalf of BindTuners. Bye.